Welcome to the Crown Society channel. Today, we are taking an exhaustive, deep dive look into the birthplace of an icon. This is the complete, step-by-step transformation of the Porsche 992.2. But condition is this. Keep watching complete video because it will most informative and interesting for car lovers. Where raw steel and fine leather are forged into automotive perfection. Over the next steps in this video, we will explore every torque spec, every hand-stitched seam, and every robotic weld that makes this machine a legend. Phase 1. The core of the Flat Six. The journey begins at the heart of the beast, the engine assembly. Here, mechanical components are treated with the reverence of sacred artifacts. Crankshaft preparation. A technician begins by bolting the connecting rods to the crankshaft. On the 992.2, this crankshaft is forged from high-strength steel, designed specifically to endure extreme RPMs without compromising reliability. Reducing rotational mass, the connecting rods used are lightweight yet incredibly strong. This reduces rotational mass, allowing the engine to respond to throttle inputs with lightning speed. The lowering ritual, the crankshaft is carefully lowered into the engine block, aligning perfectly with the bearing seats. Securing the core, main bearings are installed to ensure smooth rotation and long-term durability. A thin, precise layer of sealant is applied to the mating surfaces. Joining the case, the two halves of the engine case are brought together, sealing the core of the Flat Six engine. Sealing combustion, cylinder head gaskets are laid down. These must withstand the intense heat and pressure of high-performance combustion. Head and valve integration, the cylinder heads are positioned. Long head bolts are tightened to apply uniform pressure, ensuring structural integrity. Timing and synchronization. The timing gear is mounted to the camshaft and connected to the timing chain. Every tooth must align to keep the valves in perfect sync. Fluid and air management. The timing cover is bolted on, followed by the installation of the 4 engine valves per cylinder. Electrical heart. The wiring harness is routed to power vital sensors and the ignition system. Induction. The air filter box and ducts are installed to provide a steady stream of clean air. Turbocharging. The turbocharger, the heart of the 992.2's acceleration, is bolted to the exhaust manifold. Its turbine will spin at incredible speeds to force-feed the engine. Marriage preparation. The finished engine is placed on an automated dolly, ready to meet its PDK transmission. Don't skip because we will move towards main points till the end. Phase 2, the art of the interior. While the engine is about raw power, the interior is about the human touch. In a quiet hall, the soul of the Porsche is shaped from fine leather. Material selection. A craftsman selects hides of rich burgundy and jet black, feeling the grain for imperfections. The emblem press. Using a precision mold, the iconic Porsche logo is embossed into the leather. Hand stitching. A seamstress meticulously joins black and white leather pieces. This is where pieces of hide begin to look like an interior. Armrest upholstery. Leather is stretched over a plastic frame. This requires immense patience to ensure there are no wrinkles or misalignments. The human inspection. Every piece is tested by the trained eye and touch of a maker, ensuring it meets standards no machine can replicate. Phase 3. The birth of the silhouette. In the body shop, the 911's iconic shape begins to emerge from a dance of robotics and human expertise. Chassis foundation. Robotic arms lift the floor and lower chassis, the foundation of the legend. Side panel integration. Massive arms apply adhesive and weld the side panels and roof into a unified structure. Door mounting. Robots align and mount the doors, instantly testing hinges for a perfect thud upon closing. The human mark. A technician performs final spot welds in areas machines cannot reach, ensuring the body is a single, rigid piece. Body panels. Technicians guide the front fenders and the sculpted hood into position. The 911's identity is now unmistakable. Phase 4. The alchemy of paint. The body now moves to a stage where chemistry meets aesthetics. Galvanic baths. The body is dipped into hot-dip zinc baths to protect the steel from corrosion for decades. The primer dip. It is then immersed in a liquid primer, moving gracefully to ensure every recess is coated. Sealing the underside. A robot applies circular rubber seals to the floor pan to keep out moisture and dust. Dust removal. Before paint, robotic arms use focused streams of air to remove every microscopic speck of dust. The color coat, multiple layers of paint are applied in a synchronized choreography. Sensors monitor the thickness to the micron. The clear coat, a final transparent layer, is applied, adding the iconic Porsche gloss and protecting the color from the elements. The light tunnel, under intense inspection lamps, specialists in white gloves read the paint with their hands, looking for flaws. Phase 5, the cockpit and electronics. With the body painted, it's time to install the brain and the interfaces of the car. Dashboard assembly. On a separate rig, the dashboard is built with the central multimedia display and digital instrument cluster. Wiring the brain. Technicians connect the network of wires that link the car's sensors to the digital displays. Installation. The entire dashboard structure glides into the cabin on a precision rig and is locked into place. Glass and roof. The windshield and the engineering masterpiece that is the panoramic roof are aligned to the millimeter and sealed. The shield of light. Headlamps are installed, using a protective rubber base to ensure the new paint isn't scratched during the process. Phase 6, the marriage. This is the most critical moment in the factory, when the mechanical soul meets the painted body. Drivetrain integration. The PDK transmission is mated to the engine. Axle assembly. The front and rear axles, complete with brake discs and calipers, are prepared on a rig. The marriage ceremony. The upper body is gently lowered onto the fully assembled chassis, engine, and transmission. Bolting the soul. The body and chassis are bolted together, turning separate components into a functional vehicle. Phase 7, final flourishes and quality control. The car is now moving under its own identity, but it isn't finished until it is perfect. The cabriolet top. For convertible models, the fabric roof is stretched taut and aligned for a weathertight seal. Exterior trim. Front and rear bumpers are snapped into place, along with the signature rear LED light strip. The final contact. Wheels are mounted and torqued. The driver's seat and steering wheel, including the vital airbag system, are installed. The ultimate scrutiny. The car enters the final inspection zone. Every panel, every button, and every mechanical part is tested under intense light. The result is the Porsche 911, a masterpiece of heritage, innovation, and unrivaled performance. It remains the king of sports cars because of the thousands of steps you have just witnessed. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, and press bell icon. The lights in the factory might dim, and the robots might go silent, but for this Porsche 911, the heartbeat has just begun. We've seen the marriage of the chassis and the engine, we've watched the surgical precision of the hand-stitched leather, but all of that is just preparation. What happens next is what separates a machine from a legend. Every single 992.2 that rolls off this line carries the weight of 60 years of racing heritage. But is it enough to stay ahead of the competition in 2026? Or has Porsche finally reached the limit of what a flat six can do? In a moment, the first drop of fuel will hit those cylinders. The starter motor will whine, and the world will hear the roar of a machine that's been built to defy physics. But before we turn that key, there's one detail we haven't shown you, a hidden engineering feat in the new active aero system that changes everything at 180 miles per hour. It's a secret that most owners won't even realize they have until they hit the apex of a corner at the Nürburgring. This isn't just about getting from 0 to 60, it's about the soul of a car that refuses to be silenced by an electric world. The craftsmanship is finished, the inspection is over, and the keys are waiting. But the real question remains, in a world of digital perfection, can a hand-built icon still make you feel something? We're about to find out in our next video, where we take this exact build from the factory floor straight to the limit on the Autobahn. You do not want to miss the sound of this engine at 9,000 revolutions per minute. If you want to stay in the inner circle of the world's most elite automotive builds and see what this 911 is truly capable of when the gloves come off, you know what to do. Like, share, and please subscribe and comment and press bell icon. Thanks for watching Crown Society channel for improvement in your status and lifestyle standard. Why you join Crow Society channel? Don't skip video because which benefits are enjoying you. You might be wondering, why stay tuned to the Crown Society channel? The answer is simple. While others just show you the surface, we take you behind the velvet rope and into the high-stakes world of true luxury and elite engineering. We aren't just looking at cars or gadgets, we are documenting the pinnacle of human achievement. By subscribing, you're not just a viewer, you're a member of a global community that demands the best in performance, style, and innovation. We have exclusive access to the upcoming 2026 hypercar reveals, deep dive audits into the world's most expensive tech, and the secrets behind brands that define status. If you crave the adrenaline of high-end machinery and the precision of master craftsmanship, this is your home. Your support is what fuels these deep dives, so don't just watch the legend, be a part of it. Stick with us, because the road to the top is much better with the Crown Society behind you. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, and press bell icon.